In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add certification in LinkedIn mobile app. If you want to showcase a course, professional certificate, or industry credential on your LinkedIn profile, adding it properly can help make your profile look more complete and professional. The good news is that you can do it quickly right from the LinkedIn mobile app without needing a computer. First, open the LinkedIn mobile app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile picture, usually located in the top corner of the app. This will open your account menu. From there, go to View Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where you can manage the information that other people see, including your work experience, education, and certifications. If you're building your professional presence, this is one of the most important sections to keep updated. Now look for the Add section option on your profile and tap it. LinkedIn groups profile additions into different categories, so after tapping Add section, select Recommended. In that area, choose Add licenses and certifications. This opens the form where you can enter the details of your certification. Next, fill in the certification information carefully. Start with the name of the certification exactly as it appears on the official document. Then enter the issuing organization, which is the company, school, or platform that awarded the certification. After that, add the issue date, and if applicable, include the expiration date if the certification is time-sensitive. You can also enter the Credential ID if one was provided. This can be useful for verification, especially if recruiters or employers want to confirm the credential. If your certification includes a credential link, you may also see an option to add that in the form. When entering these details, accuracy matters, so it's a good idea to double-check spellings, dates, and identifiers before saving. Once everything is filled out, tap Save. Your certification will then be added to your LinkedIn profile and become visible in the Licenses and Certifications section. Keeping this part of your profile current can help highlight your skills, recent learning, and professional development. It's a simple update, but it can make a strong impression when someone visits your profile. That's how to add certification in the LinkedIn mobile app.